I'm thrilled to standing here today to express my proud to having completing AI course in Barcelona.
My journey has been incredibly rewarding. I gained hand-on experience with machine learning, algorithm, data analysis, and model development.
These past 3 weeks have been a fantastic experience. During this time, I was able to work on a lot of projects. Every week we had something new coming out, and I was able to learn a lot and take a lot of things back home with me when we go back and be able to apply them in my career and my personal projects.
This journey sharpened my skills, challenged my limits, and inspired me to keep growing in the AI field. Barcelona's vibrant atmosphere made it even more unforgettable. Excited to apply what I've learned in the future opportunities.
I was very privileged that our project won as the best project for this bootcamp. I had the pleasure to present it in front of all of the IronHack community. It was very fun to do, and it gave me some insights on how to collaborate with different people.
Thank you, Saudi Digital Academy, for picking me. It was an honor, and thank IronHack for this amazing experience. It was amazing.